You were driving along one day and you noticed your Cayenne was missing this rear cover. They always fall off, and why does this happen? Because they need to actually be glued in place. So I'll drop a link to a replacement. Comes in two boxes, a small box like this. Like so. Rear windshield wiper arm cover. Why did they break? As soon as I took it off, saying already, that's a whole one and that's a broken one. As soon as you take it off, it breaks. Now you have two options. One is because the plastic is fragile, you can either buy this $6 part every time you take it off, because these just simply break off. Or if you know that your windshield wiper arm is working pretty well, you can take a slight risk and apply some super glue, knowing that you won't have to replace your windshield wiper arm soon. If you do, I would not recommend gluing it. I would just recommend getting a new cap so that you don't struggle with removing glue every time. You can just stick some glue. So I applied it on the two prongs on the sides. Very small dabs. And to ensure proper seating, you want to really make sure it clicks onto the plastic. And after a couple of hours, it's not going anywhere. It's holding strong enough that despite the broken clip on the sides, it can come out, that it doesn't fall out, but still not enough super glue to prevent me from getting it off, breaking it off if I need to. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting stuff like transmission videos.